Hello and welcome in another tutorial video. In this video I want to show you how to start mining Alephium. Alephium is another coin you can mine with your graphics card. So I have a request to do this tutorial and show to the interested miners how to start mining this coin. First, you need to get your wallet address for mining, and you can get address from gate.io. This is the exchange where Alephium is listed, or you can download official wallet and use that address. I will show you how to download and use this address for mining. Click on the alephium.org site, click on the download our wallet, and it will open the GitHub site for this wallet. Scroll down and download your version. I've downloaded already this version for Windows. After you download this version for Windows, you will need to start this exe file. Just start and click next. It will install automatically the wallet. After the installation, go to start and find where is your wallet. On the first screen, you will need to create a new wallet. Click on the new wallet and enter information asked. Wallet name and password. Read. Unsecure password. Make a longer. Okay, retype password. And click continue. Now it shows your secret phrase. Write or copy and paste these words. I will copy and paste for purpose for this video. Okay, save it and click on this where it says I've copied the words, continue, and click on ready. Now you will need to select the words in the right order. Okay, first, after you entered all your words, click on the continue, and everything is ready. Let's go. Now you'll see that your wallet is ready. In this addresses box you will find your main address. Click on that and this is your wallet address. Now click on copy and paste in your text file for further use. File save. Okay, now you may close the wallet. Next thing to do is to find a mining pool for this coin. I will use on the mining pool stats, click just ALPH in the search box and it will find your coin. I will use for purpose of this video herominers.com pool and open, and in the start section you will find all the information you need to start on this pool. You have, for mining software, you have two options. For NVIDIA you may use T-Rex miner, and for the AMD graphic cards you need to use Ceraba Miner Multi. This is the T-Rex GitHub. Just search in the Google search T-Rex, it will find easily. And if you are on AMD, you need to type cerabaminer.com and it will open this site. You can download it also from GitHub. So I will use T-Rex miner. Click on this link and it will download the miner. After the miner is downloaded, okay, after the miner is downloaded, open the folder and extract the miner. Open folder, this folder, and try. This is the first batch file, is ALPH Hero Miners. Right click on this file and edit. Now you will need to enter your wallet address instead of this already prepared wallet address. So copy your wallet address and paste here. In worker you will need to enter your worker name. I will do like this. Save this file and you may close now. Now you need to, for T-Rex, same as all other miners, click on properties, compatibility, and run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK. Now I will start my MSI Afterburner software for my card, and I will try to start mining with the default settings. For these videos I will not explaining too much on how to set up your graphic cards. This is maybe for some other video. This is just to show you how to start mining some coin. On the ALPH Hero Miners, double click and it will start to mine. As you can see, the miner is already started mining. GPU usage is in 100%, and this is indication that the mining process is started. After some time, when miners start finding shares on the pool, you may enter your mining address. Here you can enter your address to see your stats. Just copy your miner address and paste here and click on lookup. You will find all the information you will need. You need to wait some time to find some shares so you can find your statistic here. I'm still not getting any shares, but with one card, it is normal to take some time. For easier setup, if you want, you may use hashrate.no, and standard in miner options, choose your graphic cards, choose your coin to mine, and select your miner, select your pool, your location, and enter your wallet address. You will get these two lines, one for a simple mining and one for Windows. This is the easiest way to set up your batch file or create your group config in simple mining. I think that I've said everything, so if you find this video useful, please subscribe on my channel, and this will help me to grow my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.